Hi everyone, would you like to see how the people fillet in the haddock, small haddock? So this is the normal fillet. So you go like this to the head, and then you just feel the bone right to the tail, and then use the knife backward, and then go down to the wings, or what? How do you say that? Same again. Maybe if I go like that, maybe you see better. So and then just to feel the bone again, like the ribs, and just to chop to the head, and then just slightly pulling it, and you get beautiful fillet. And same again, just to feel the bones. Nothing left on. Soup is called Irfan soup. It's haddock, made from haddock and vegetable. Nothing else we put. We don't put any oil in it. We don't use any oil. We only use just the veg and fish, nothing else. So I'm just preparing my veg and stuff just now. Even I'm using like everything scratch. These ones are just now old ones I'm using. I'm cheating like how I'm peeling even the what do you call cut it. I'm just cheating using my knife. It is nothing to be special, just using a knife, thin knife. And then my peppers. Just any veg you have at home, you can use for this soup. Okay, I use this one for grinder. Just this one for cheating, baby. So I get these ones, put it in the water. Nothing is special about it. Just chuck them all in it. And then this one start to boil in itself. Just keep them to boil, nothing else. People says how you use the knife like that. I don't know. I just like to use the knife, and I become natural to chopping it. Sometimes I chop my fingers as well. So I don't have the fresh ginger. Normal I use fresh ginger. Because I don't have the fresh ginger, so I just use this one. And then I put the salt in it. Just nothing special about it. And chuck these ones in it. And let that one to boil now. These ones are small haddock, so perfect for soup. I just take the skin them. So you don't have to cook this one, you know, much. Just a couple of minutes. That's it. This fish is so fresh, you know. Look at it, so fresh. You can even eat like this, which is so many Chinese people, or you know, everybody eat this. What they do this one, wash this one with the vinegar. They don't do anything. They just only wash it with the vinegar, and then ginger, ginger, onion, chilies, you know. And I just love that taste. Like it's called the Halloween. So beautiful taste. Absolutely beautiful. So let's do that. So this one is probably nearly ready, because you don't have to cook too much. If you cook too much, it's no good. This one is perfect. So what I do, I put some turmeric, because we put already ginger. We put the turmeric in it, and we put some chilies, because I love chili. So we put the chilies in it as well. So we chuck all the fishes in it. We don't do much things on it, just we stir it like that, and that's it. Now it will do itself. Magic will start itself. This is start bubbling, you know, and then we'll know the haddocks are cooked completely, and then we're gonna use 1 lemon, and we are going to use lettuce, and we are going to use some dills, but they're in the frozen. I don't want to take them out. When this start to boil, and then we'll do. So in a couple of minutes. So that's all ready now. Okay, guys. What I do, I'll turn it off, and I put 1 lemon in it. First use half a lemon, and then stir it just to try it. And I'll chuck that lemon in as well. And then I put lettuce in it. And the last touch is my favorite thing, is dill. So I'm just like I put it with, I like it anyway, so that much. Our soup is ready. Is ready to serve. So I just mix it a bit. You don't have to mix too much. You don't have to break the, what do you call, the fish too much. So this is ready for serve. See, guys, see how full that is, you know, and it's not even oil in it. Not even oil in it. It's all goodness. It's all healthy. So this is my dinner tonight. Just a healthy. Oh, that was beautiful, guys. That's absolutely beautiful. Well done, me. So we'll serve our soup. Look at this, guys. How beautiful is that? One for me, one for my friend. We just made this one fresh as hell, and fresh haddock and you will never get this soup like that. It's not even oil in it, not even any oil in it. Just a natural soup. Mahtiyes.